Hi, I'm Florence Mizera. I'm a pharmacist at Reed Medical Center. Last time we talked about how to manage small cuts or small wounds at home. However, there are bigger wounds that require medical attention. So, God forbid, but let's say you get attacked and the person cuts you with a knife and blood is flowing and it's a whole lot. Now, we all know blood is the fuel of life, so the more of it you lose, the more damage happens to your body. So before you get to the hospital, there are things you can do to help yourself in such situations. The first thing to do is to get a clean cloth and apply pressure to the wound. Or if you have a first aid kit by you in your car or at home, you can use it and apply pressure to the wound to minimize blood loss. The next thing you do is to try and elevate the injured organ above the heart level. So the heart is located towards the left chest area. So if it's me, for instance, I'll have to raise my arm above my left breast to make sure that the arm is above the heart area, and then seek medical attention as soon as possible. We have a fully loaded first aid kit at Reed Medical Center that you can purchase from us and get more insight on how to deal with different emergencies. Thank you.